Mulbagal is a little town on the borders of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Steeped in history, originally known as Moodala Bagilu, the eastern door to the then Vijayanagara Empire, this town was supposed to be a prominent cultural center.
ಹೋರುದೀರತೆಯಿಂದ ಮಂಡುತನದಿಂದ ಬೇಡ ವೈರಹಗತನ ಬೇಡ ಹಿರಿನಿಯಮವಿರಲಿ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಮೇಲನವಧೀರತನ ಹೋರುದಾತತೆಯಿಂದ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ.
Known as Pitamaha of Kannada Bhagavad Gita, D.V. Gundappa's Mankutimana Kagga is known by all Kannadigas. This is DVG Government Kannada School, originally DVG's ancestral home. This is where he was born and spent his early childhood. This building is about 2 centuries old and was donated to Government of Karnataka in the year 1902 by DVG's family. Having imparted school education to scores of children of this town over the past 120 years, today this building is weak and is crumbling. Worried parents have stopped sending their children to this school, leading to sharp drop in admissions and attendance over the past few years. All children who attend this school come from families of economically weaker sections, minorities, and the deprived classes. They just cannot afford private education. There is an immediate need to intervene and build a new school to these needy children. Continuing the tradition of patronage towards education in rural India, OSAT, an organization which has built 50 schools and dedicated them to the betterment of the needy, is proposing to construct a new school building, replacing the existing dilapidated structure with facilities such as a 3-storied building, 10 classrooms, DVG Memorial Library, assembly area with a stage, kitchen and storerooms, washrooms and toilets. Just the word of OSAT's intervention has already created a positive impact. Reassured parents and their happy children are back. Admissions and attendance has increased multifold. Join us. Let us build a new school to these needy children. We need your support to successfully complete this project. Contribute your bit. Let us build our nation, one school at a time.